The beginning.
Cold, bitter breeze blows through the trees. Careful clouds,
Skies dim.
winter begins. Quickly the leaves begin to fall. You and me against it all. Snow keeps falling, falling. Home is calling, calling. Caught in this winter wind. My love's growing colder, heart's growing older. Winter begins. Winter wind. Snow is coming faster than before. Wishing for warmth just a little bit more. Ice is building, frost is biting. Might be time to give in. My love's growing colder, heart's growing older. Winter begins. Winter wind. They go like flowers, our love has died, smothered by snowfall outside. We both kept fighting with all our might, and I'm sorry the seasons had to change. My love's growing colder, heart's growing older. Winter begins. Winter wind, winter wind. Snow begins, snow begins. Gotta give in to the winter wind.
Perfect. Okay, before we end, is there anything else that you would like to say on this right now about like anything else that you wanted to add or anything you would like Mr. Carr to think about guitar-wise?
Just like with the dynamic of it, it
Mhm.
should like grow.
Grow. So it's kind of like it's the
Yeah.
crescendo and then the decrescendo at the end. Okay, good. We'll leave it to that. Thanks, guys.